Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a fantastic choice for plumbing services in Los Gatos, California 95032. As a trustworthy company, they provide a large range of plumbing solutions made to meet the needs of surrounding residences and businesses. Are you looking for plumber near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is the main purpose of plumbing? Companies such as Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offer a wide range of plumbing services in Los Gatos, CA 95032, to deal with different problems such as water heater installs, drain cleaning, and pipe repairs. Plumbing's main objective is to provide a home or business with clean drinking water and dependable wastewater removal systems while also ensuring the safe and effective transportation of gas, waste, and water throughout the building. How important is a plumber? In order to keep homes and businesses safe and functional, a plumber is essential. Having access to a trustworthy plumber is crucial in places like Los Gatos, California, 95032, where plumbing systems may encounter several difficulties. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/